Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everybody. Okay, today I will try to install the fog light into my Vulcan 900, Kawasaki Vulcan 900. Okay, this is my Kawasaki. Okay, so the fog light that I will install will be used with the relay. Okay, this is all the parts that I need. Firstly, I need the fuse. Okay, 15 ampere fuse connector to the relay. 5 pin. Okay, 5 pin of relay switch, and also the fog light, LED fog light, one set. That we need is firstly this 5 pin of relay have 5 number. As you see at the back, okay, at the back of the relay, it show this one 30, 87, this one 86, and at the right one is 85. At the middle is 87. 30 circuit. You put the connector, okay, with the red wire joined to the fuse 50 ampere, and the fuse will go to the positive battery. And for the blue wire is 85. We connect to the negative battery. Yellow wire is 86. We connect to one of the terminal point of switch, and another wire terminal point is located to the power or positive power headlight or ignition light. So these two wire, green and black. This is for from 87 from the relay. This is will connect to the positive wire of the spotlight. Okay, positive wire, that means the red one. Okay, another one, the red one will continue to the green, and another red one from the front light connecting to the black. Okay, that is and I also need some of the extra wire. That is step number 1.